Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Now, all these videos are actually going to be in the actual course itself. So for you who have joined the course, you'll be able to find them in the course. They'll be put in there, but they're also just flying around YouTube as well. But this is the video, how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account, part 6. So if you've seen parts 1 to 5, you'll know where we are and how we got here. Okay, so what's next? So we could get into loading up the EAs, but we're not going to do that, not yet, because I want to show you more of what's going on in here, explain and teach you as much as I know, as much as we know. Okay, so what do we got? So we got here the daily chart, 1 minute chart, 1 minute chart. I like to clean the charts up in this way. Now watch this. I'm going to right click on this chart here. Let's move this, do it again. Right click, go to properties. In colors, a black screen, like a black screen because it doesn't hurt your eyes so much, but you have a choice of having your color scheme where you can have yellow on black, green on black, white on black. So you can play with that, for yourself and by yourself. But anyway, we're going to stick to this screen here. But simple, it's simple. All we need to do to make one change here is choosing the background, which is black, etc. Leave everything as it is. At least I am going to. Click on bar down, and then I'm going to choose a color. For a bar down, I want red. So this means when the markets are moving up, we'll see a green bar. When the market's moving down, we'll see a red bar. On a daily chart, if we see the bar chart, one single bar chart for one whole day, if it's green, that means it was an up day, it was a day of buying. If it's red, it means it was a down day, it was a day of selling. Positive and negative. Okay? Now, click on Common and leave everything as it is. Everything as it is. You do have a choice of choosing a bar chart, candlesticks. I wouldn't suggest a line chart, but if you're using the EA will still work regardless of what you have here. But bar chart is easier to see. It's less. It's not so. Not so in your face. There's less to look at. I like to have a nice, clean, sort of empty-ish chart. But anyway, so bar chart. Show open, high, low, close. That's what it means. I don't want to see that, don't need to see that. Show ask line, no, don't need to see that. Show period separators, yes, which means it's going to show the period separators from one day to the next. If it's a any chart, a daily chart or so, or minute chart, doesn't matter, you'll see. Show grid, no, because the grid, if we move over here, this is the grid, which is making it really messy, to me anyway. So take away grid, and now that's it. So we got the colors. Bar up is lime green, which is a nice bright green, which shows well on the black. And bar down, which is the reddest of reds you can get, which shows nice and clearly on the chart once again. Okay. And common, we have bar chart, we have period separators. That is it. Okay. Click on OK. And we have our chart here. Now, the period separators on this chart are these vertical lines, these dotted lines. So this is one day to the next. Okay, so since today, sorry, that's not one day, this is 1 month to the next, excuse me, because it's a daily chart. Okay, that's December. Well, you get the idea, Okay, so what I just want to do here is click on this. I want to expand. I want to make these bars slightly larger. So over here you have the ability to make the bars smaller, yep, or larger. 1, zoom in, 2, 3, 4. I like my bars to be this size so I can see clearly. So this is telling me that over a course of 4 days, no, is this 4 days? Yeah, 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, the markets went up, and this day the market went down, this day the market went down, this day the market went up, and then for 2 days down, and so forth and so forth. And today the market is moving up again. Okay, So that's what we're going to do for now, because we're going to do exactly the same thing. I'll show you on the next video what to do. Same thing, same principle on these two charts here. Thank you.